Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica. This is our bonus room. It is upstairs. It is huge and it's kind of a catch-all space and it's kind of a playroom for the kids, and it gets so messy, and that's why I don't show it a lot on my channel, is just because it's not a space that I feel calm in. It gives me anxiety, this room, honestly. And so today I'm doing a clean with me. I got the girls to help me. We're cleaning up the toys. And yeah, this is what the bonus room looks like. I did do a bonus room tour for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. That is coming soon. So if there's anything that you're curious where I got it from or anything like that, that will be in the tour. But for now, I'm going to let you sit back and watch me clean, and I'll come back on here in a minute. So you might be wondering about the coffee table, because I do have the same one downstairs. What actually happened was I got those tables from Walmart.com, and when they sent them, the one that's upstairs had been, you could tell it had been dropped a little bit on the corner, and so it's just a little slight bit of damage. It wasn't anything that was too big a deal, but I emailed them and I asked them if they would be able to send me just a new top piece. And they sent me the entire brand new coffee table, which was really nice, great customer service. So that's why I just put the extra one upstairs. So that's why I have an extra one. It was free, so, and I think it's cute. So that's why I have it upstairs. And then, let's see, what else? I'm sure I'm gonna get asked about the paint color. I always have my paint colors listed in the description box for you if you wanna check there, but the paint color is, Quietude is my bedroom. What is it? It is Perfect Greige. There we go. I was like, I know what this is. Perfect Greige is the main paint color in my entire house. So I have Madeline bringing me this thing I got off of Amazon. I'll link it for you guys. I don't know if I love it, but it's okay. I haven't made up my mind completely. But what it is a lint remover, and I'll talk about that more in a minute. But first I want to tell you the cloth I'm using right now is from eCloth. They sent me some of their glass and polishing cloths, and I love them. They're like miracle workers. Now, this is a glass polishing cloth. I'm just using it to dust, and all I have in that spray bottle, it's actually a Scentsy spray bottle, but I just have water in it, because that's kind of just what activates them, and they're great for doing glass, your mirrors, anything that you want to shine, and all you have to do is use water, and they kill 99% of bacteria, and they make great dusting cloths, let me tell you, because there's nothing more that I hate than when I'm dusting and it just kind of clumps up. But they work great as dusting cloths. I used it on the TV as well, just kept it very damp and did the TV screen, and it did a great job. And so now I'm using that lint remover, and you just go like this. It's supposed to remove lint and dog hair, cat hair, and this couch is a magnet for Bailey's hair. I hate it. It gives me so much anxiety. I don't know what I was thinking with a brown couch, because it literally shows everything. I love the couch, but I just hate that it's a magnet for dirt and hair and just everything. But this thing works pretty well. I still think vacuuming is the most effective way, but if you're just wanting to do something quick, this does work pretty well. So you just do this, and then the little thing that it comes in, when you stick it down in there, and then pull it back out, it's supposed to pull off all of that stuff. So again, it's not my favorite thing, but I will link it if you want to check it out. And I will link the eCloths as well, and they're doing a promotion right now. If you use the code EarthDay19, you can get 15% off site-wide. They have all kinds of products, and I just discovered them, and I've been loving them. I can't wait to order some more things for my home, because I really love these glass polishing cloths. Don't be afraid. Dive into
you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go.
So just to spark some conversation and get to know you guys a little better, I thought it would be fun if you guys left me a comment and let me know, what is your biggest pet peeve? I think this is a really interesting conversation to have with people. It's interesting to see what bugs people, so let me know what your biggest pet peeve is.
It's been true for the longest time. Just know that somewhere there's a sign, either fate or the big sublime. 'Cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh, but you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh, be you, yeah, only you, only you.
So now I'm letting you guys see the super satisfying vacuum lines that this robot vacuum creates. I got this sent to me last year. It's a really awesome robot vacuum, so I moved it upstairs. It does have the GPS mapping in it, so it can like make its way around the house. It knows basically where it's going. As you can see, it goes up and then it turns around and then it goes back up. And it's awesome. I love it. This one also mops as well, which is crazy. I don't ever use it for that because it's just kind of like a dust mop. And I need a hardcore mop having dogs and kids, but as you can see, it does a really good job. And of course, it doesn't replace a vacuum cleaner, but it's a great in between. It saves me a bunch of time. I'll try to find you guys the link for it. I don't have any promotional codes or anything because it was sent to me last year, but if you're interested in it, then I will link it. And I know that I am going to be getting another one soon, so I'll be showing you that one as well, and I can let you know what I think about it if you want to hold off maybe and see if you want to do this one or that one. But that's my job, is to review these things for you guys and let you know what I like and stuff, so be on the lookout for that. For now, I'm done. It didn't take me too long, especially with the kids helping me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new, please hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to comment below. The engagement helps. And don't forget to share this video if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you need some more cleaning motivation, be sure and check out my whole house clean with me, where I cleaned the entire house.